Artificial intelligence has taken the world by storm, and one model in particular has captured the attention of researchers, businesses, and internet users alike. ChatGPT, trained by OpenAI on the GPT 3.5 architecture. ChatGPT is a large language model that can generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts. But what makes this model so special, and why is it causing such a buzz? In this video, we'll explore the capabilities of ChatGPT, the technology behind it, and the impact it's having on everything from social media to customer service. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the fascinating world of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality content for websites, blogs, or social media platforms in a few seconds. This includes creating content like product description, blog post, social media post, draft for a business idea, long-form content like entire articles, translation. ChatGPT can be used for translation services, where it can automatically translate text from one language to another. Programming code. ChatGPT is indeed capable of writing simple code in programming language, as long as it is given a well-written and clear question. Legal advice. ChatGPT can assist lawyers in conducting legal research by providing them with relevant case law, statutes, and regulations. Lawyers can ask ChatGPT legal questions and receive prompt and accurate answers, saving them time and effort. Draft CV and cover letter. You can ask the chatbot to write a customized resume and cover letter based on a job description, and it will produce a nearly complete document, just missing a few basic details, like your name and address. Grammar and spelling mistakes. ChatGPT can help in identifying and correcting spelling and grammar mistakes by utilizing its natural language processing capabilities. As a language model, it has been trained on a large corpus of text, allowing it to recognize and understand the rules of grammar and spelling. When given a piece of text, ChatGPT can analyze it and identify any mistakes or errors and provide suggested corrections. It can also offer alternative sentence structures or phrasing to improve the overall coherence and clarity of the text. Lesson plan worksheet. You can create lesson plan worksheets for students. Doctor, you can ask the chatbot about the health issues, and it will give precautions, suggestions, and medication. Multilingual customer support. ChatGPT's customer service offers multilingual support by utilizing the large language model's abilities to aid customers who speak various languages. ChatGPT is capable of being trained on several languages, and it can translate messages from one language to another, allowing for clear communication between businesses and customers who speak different languages. Expert Chef. The first thing I thought I'd do is see if the chatbot could help create a recipe with some interesting flavors. I asked it to make a mutton madfound recipe, and after a few seconds, a recipe complete with cooking instructions appeared on my screen. Poet. ChatGPT can work as a poet, as it has been trained on vast amounts of text data, including poetry, and can generate its own original poems. However, it is important to note that the quality of the poetry generated by ChatGPT will depend on various factors, including the quality of the prompts provided, the length and complexity of the desired poem, and the degree of creativity and imagination required for the task. While ChatGPT can generate impressive poetry, it is not a substitute for human poets, who bring their unique perspective, experience, and emotion to the creative process. I asked him, "I want to be happy. Give me a poem so once I read, I will become happy." Thank you for watching our video today on Chatted Bytes. We hope you found it informative and useful. Before we go, we want to ask if any of our viewers have any questions or comments they'd like to share. If so, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and we'll do our best to respond to each one. Also, we'd like to encourage you to share this video with others who might find it helpful, and to subscribe to our channel for more informative content in the future. Thank you again for tuning into Chatted Bytes, and we look forward to hearing from you in the comments.